In this lesson, I will explain to you some more features of data validation. So here we have a table and you can see few columns are blank. We are going to apply a drop down menu here. So what is the meaning of drop down menu? Suppose if we want to write down again and again for all the employees, suppose these are the employees name and we have 1000 records, Mr., Mrs., Miss, Mr., Mrs., Miss, right? Instead of writing again and again, we can make the drop down menu. So whatever title you want to assign here, first you have to write down anywhere in your sheet. So I said Mr., Miss and Mrs. First of all, you have to select the range. Go to the data tab. In data tab, in data tools group, there is a data validation option. Click here. You will see this data validation window will pop up. In allow, open this arrow, click on the list option, then you will see we have another cell source. Click first on the source and then you have to select all these three titles and press OK. So simple it is, right? Now we have a drop down menu besides Ashley. Open this. Okay, we will select Miss here. For Robert we can select Mr. here. Similarly for Catherine, suppose we say she is Mrs. and so on. So you can complete the list. Same thing for the cities. Suppose Ashley belongs to Toronto, Robert belongs to Winnipeg, and so on. So instead of writing individually, if we have 1000 records, we can set the drop down menu, select this range, and then go to the data validation. Here you have to open select list. Click on the source box first, then you have to select all the names of your cities, right? You can increase or decrease the name, it's up to you, and then press OK. So simple. Now we have a drop down menu. Open this. Suppose Ashley belongs to Winnipeg, he belongs to Toronto, Bob belongs to suppose Edmonton, and so on. So you can fill. Now we will jump to start time and at end time, then we will come to code. So start time, suppose they start their job, Ashley start their job at 8 a.m. So these are the starting time, because some employees start at 8, some 8:30 or 9. You can again increase or decrease. Here again you can increase. This is just to explain you. So first of all, you have to select this, go to the data validation. In data validation, open this list, click on source first, select the starting time and press OK. Now I will do the same thing for end time, then I will explain to you. First you have to select, then click on the data validation, open this allow arrow, select list and click on the source button first, select this range and OK. Now suppose open this, Ashley starts at 8 a.m. and she completes at 1:30, right? You can increase it. Here suppose he starts at 9 a.m. and open this and whatever is the ending time here. Now is the code. Just like we have a postal code, so we can again apply some condition here. You have to select this range first, then go to the data validation, open this allow, and here is the text length. As you know that we have equal to, we have 6 characters in our postal code, right? So write down here 6 and then okay. Now whatever, right? If I will write down, suppose here T 8 N, right? Sorry, N 1 L 2, that is fine, it accepts because this is 6 characters. If I will write down suppose T, or I will write down only 5, this will not accept. This message will come up because I have applied condition there that here should be 6 characters. So retry or cancel, right? If suppose I can add here 2, or by mistake I will add one more letter here, again it will not accept because it accepts only 6 characters, right? So okay, now after this, okay, I can make one this is suppose Mrs. If you want to write down more salutations or more title here, you want to add, yes, for sure you can do it. Press and hold your mouse and I can, okay, whenever you will see the green square at the end, when this plus sign will come, press and hold your mouse and drag it. So whatever is the last salutation or title will pop up here. We will just delete this and again we have this symbol Miss, Mr., Mrs. We can complete our data. Same thing you can do here, same thing you can do here. So I hope the lesson is clear. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.